Look at the deltoid ABCD below. 2AB equals BC. Calculate the area of the deltoid given that its perimeter is 72 centimeters. Let's find the area of the kite. Label side AB as X. According to the data, the sides are in a ratio. Remember, in a kite, adjacent sides are equal. The perimeter of the kite is the sum of all its sides. Isolate X to find its value. Now this is the length of sides AB and AD. Use this value for side AB to find BC. This gives us the length of sides BC and DC. In a kite, the diagonals are perpendicular. Use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle BEA. Substitute the values to solve for BE. Isolate BE to get its length. Now we know the length of BE. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle BEC. Substitute the values to solve for CE. Isolate CE to find its length. Now we've found the length of CE. In kites, the main diagonal intersects the secondary. This tells us the length of diagonal BD. Diagonal AC equals AE plus EC. This is the length of diagonal AE. Let's calculate the kite's area using the formula. Multiply the diagonals and divide by 2. Substitute the values and solve for the area.